So in this today's video we'll learn how to apply filter when you are using Excel sheet on your mobile device. I'll show you two things here: how to apply filter and how to dissolve the filter. I mean how to remove the filter also. So applying filter is quite easy. You click on the cell, any cell, and then you can see here there is a filter option. You can click here, so it will apply the filter here. You can see all the filters are applied. Now if you want to remove the filter, okay, you won't be able to see any option to remove the filter over here. Definitely you can select the values or items which you want to select, but you won't be able to find any option to deselect it. Okay, so how can we do that? Okay, how to remove these filter buttons over here? Okay, so to do that, what you have to do is you have to just click on these buttons, and then there are different various options here. You have to click on home. It will be by default, it will be at home. Now when you are at home button, you go all the way down, and you will find an option called sort and filter. You click here, you click on show filter button again, and then you can see that all the filter buttons are removed automatically. Okay,